The biggest challenge was, from the big portfolio that we are offering worldwide, which is the right scope for the Indian market. We made the decision to produce in India, made in India for Indian customers, and that's why we went to Vadodara with a manufacturing subsidiary. We came here and did our own experience, so we didn't come here and worked with a consultant, for example, which if I would do this again, I would definitely work with a consultant to streamline the process to become a little bit quicker. And yes, there was a lot of trial and error until we really found what we want and what we need to do in order to serve the Indian customers. So when foreign companies come to India, they have to know that this is not a copy and paste market. So products that can be easily sold in Europe, in United States, all over the world, standardized product, it doesn't work here. Because Indian customers, yes, they like European technology, but on the other side, they just don't take it one by one. They also have their demand and said, look, I'm not accepting it as you're selling it, I demand certain changes. So the European, or let's say the foreign company must be aware of this and must be ready to do this. Because if a company says, no, I don't want to do this, I have a standardized product, and this standardized product I'm selling into the Indian market, then they might get difficulties if there is a certain demand that varies from the standard product. The big problem here in India is what we're facing is the price. Yeah, that an Indian company said, look, I like your technology, I want to import your technology, I want to use it, but not for the price that you're offering. So then the Indian company says, look, you need to make certain amendments, as we call it localization. And this is what we as HAVER BOECKER had to do as well, to think the product that when we imported it, it's too expensive. So the Indian customer is not willing to pay this price. So and this is what I was talking about, the amendments that you have to do there, you have to be ready to make the changes. So we started a process of localizing a lot of parts, that we source certain parts in India, assemble it in India and sell it. The technology is the same, but the price of the machine is significantly cheaper than the machine that is being produced in Germany and imported to India. So price is a very big issue. And again, the company that would like to make business in India, he needs to be able to be flexible and also to change.